Today we are going to take a look how to make these basic van Cleef models look like these or these. Let's get right into it. We are gonna use Bulunmaz double head Faceting Machine. Machine already has its flat sheet attachment on. We are gonna fix our workpiece on it, right in the center. Just like that. We use a strong double-sided tape and make sure the metal sheet lays nice and flat. For this job, we install a 2mm 120-degree diamond tool. We set the cutting position just a few millimeters to the right from the center. All adjustments are done, it is time to start making some precious jewelry. As you can see, the cutting process is really simple. The key for a good result is to double check all adjustments before start the actual cutting. After a full revolution is done, our model is ready. Depending on how experienced the operator is, it takes just a few minutes per piece. Beautiful! Look at those shiny, concentric and long diamond cuts. Amazing! It is also possible to cut from 2 or more different center points on the same workpiece, as you can see on these. To make more variety, you can use different base shapes as well as try to cut at different angles. There are many options and possibilities. However, we recommend getting comfortable with a basic, easy to make model first before diving into the more complicated designs. That's it for today's video. If you liked what you saw, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and see you again soon.